In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook professional mode option not showing on your profile. The method is very simple, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Facebook. Click on your profiles icon. Now click on these three dots next to edit profile. So as you can see that there is no option to switch to professional mode, and this is mainly because my profile is locked. So all you have to do is to click on this unlock profile option, click on unlock your profile, click on OK, and that's it. Once you have unlocked your profile and you click on these three dots, you will see that turn on professional mode is now visible here. In this way you can fix professional mode option not showing. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.